ghosted. Slide. Assombrar alguém.
Do you understand that meaning? To ghost someone? Do you know what that means?
I probably understand, but I don't know. There is a lot of.
What do you understand by that? By ghosting someone? What do you think it is? Tell me.
It could be something like, I don't know, heartbreaking, and you are ghost someone after this breakup.
It depends on the situation, but the way I understand it is like if you just stop talking to someone, like any situation, you just stop on via messaging.
Exactly.
Feel like having a conversation with someone and then just ignore them. Like gone out of their life.
Exactly. In Portuguese, we say deixar no vácuo.
Ghost, you just like float away. Yes, I have definitely ghosted people. It's usually those creepy people that like slide in the DMs. You just ignore them completely.
That's what I want to ask because I don't think I really understand it.
It's very colloquial in English. It doesn't actually mean anything, but it's like to message someone's private messages out of the blue. You don't know them, but you're just gonna message them. Like if you see someone on Instagram or if you see someone on Facebook, you don't know them, but you just message them anyway. That's like sliding into the messages. So then for me, if I get this random person I've never met messaging me, it's usually like some creepy guy, then I'll just ghost them.